Hey guys, today I will be showing you how to hide notes from someone on Instagram. So, to do this process, first one is of course, you could just simply go ahead and open up your Instagram application into your device. Now, once you are here on the Instagram application, to hide your notes, first we are going to create some notes. So to do this, I'm gonna go for my draft messages or my DM at the middle of the screen down below. From here, guys, you will have an option, your note. So I'm gonna tap on notes over here. And now, guys, when you are creating a notes, as you can see, I'm gonna tap on a test. And from here, you will have a bunch of options. You will either add music, location, or GIF, and you will have down below shared with friends. So tap on the share with friends. So guys, as of today, you cannot directly hide notes from someone on Instagram, but the best option that you have is share it with your friends who followed you back, or you can go for close friends. So guys, when you select close friends, you have to select a specific friends that can see your post. So I'm gonna tap on add people down below. And from here, you can just simply select a specific people that you want to see the post. But if you want to hide someone from the notes, you can just simply leave them unchecked in order for you to hide notes from someone. And sadly, this is the best option that you currently have right now, as Instagram doesn't let you hide notes from someone specifically, but you can use their future close friend to make this work. And you can just simply select done. And from here, you can just simply go ahead and post your notes, and it will be shared to your custom made close friends. And pretty much that's it.